your Personal Power Boost with Dr. Verna, a global force for transformation, unlocking human potential one leader at a time. Are you looking for a boost to help you reclaim your personal power? Then this is your weekly source, where we dive into conversations about navigating your professional and life journey. So, take a deep breath, open up your heart, and get ready to ignite your leadership and fuel your spirit. Let's go. Welcome to Dr. Verna's Personal Power Boost, and Happy New Year. For those of you who are brand new, my name is Dr. Verna Cornelia Price. For those of you who are returning, it's great to see you. Happy New Year. I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas and holiday season, and you're ready for 2026. So this episode is simply called New Year Resolution. New Year Resolution, that is it. Here's what I want for you. I want your 2026 to be your best year ever. Did you hear me? I said your best year ever. I want 2026 to just make things happen for you. And why do I say that? I mean that you can make things happen for your life in 2026 that you've been dreaming about. So to make that happen, let's just go ahead and start with my personal power affirmation. I want you to really learn this affirmation this year and make this affirmation work for you. And it simply goes, my power is. What does that really mean? It means that you have enough power in your life right now to change your life and to influence change, positive change for yourself and your community and your world right now. And as you are listening to this, because it will probably air, within days here that I'm recording this, right? There's so much going on in our world. There's so much happening. There's so much chaos. There's so much pain. There's so much corruption. There's so much going on. And what you get to do, instead of complaining about it, instead of worrying about it, you get to take action. And you get to use your personal power to do whatever you can do wherever you are. That means make that call to your senator. Make that call to your congressperson. That means write that letter. That means send that email. That means if there's a place to go and gather, and so it's a peaceful protest, go gather, be peaceful. Let people know that we have got to treat one another like who we are. We are human beings, and we all deserve to be what? To be valued, to be loved, to feel as though we matter and that we're important. So I just want you to know that this year you take your personal power that you have. My power is, go ahead and repeat it with me, my ability to think a new positive thought. This year in 2026, I want you thinking good things. Think good for yourself. Think good for your family. Think good for your community. Think good for the world. Manage what you are thinking. No one knows what you're thinking. Only you and God. So you manage what you're thinking. And you make sure that you're in control of your thought life. So it's to what? What you're thinking. I have the power to know what it is that I'm seeing, right? My vision, what I'm looking at. My power is my ability to see a new vision for my life. My power is my ability to speak new words. Be very careful what you're saying. In these times where there's so much going on, there's so much pain, be careful. Refuse to bend to the temptation to become a part of the problem. You be the solution. If you're going to say something good. If you're going to write something on social media, write something that's going to be helpful to the world. Stop. Let me tell you, stop, because many of you are listening to me. Stop putting negative things on social media. Just stop doing it. Do good. Because when you do good, there is something called seed time and harvest. When you plant good seeds, when you do good, when you say good, when you think good, you are planting good seeds for yourself and for your family and for your world. So this year in 2026, I want you speaking new words, writing new words, to write 2026, I challenge you to write new goals for yourselves and write new goals that are measurable for you so you'll know when you have achieved them. You will know. Write new goals. For example, if you are on a physical, if you're deciding that you are going to restructure your body, you want to say something like, in 2026, I am shedding and I am releasing 10 pounds from my body. That's a measurable goal. In 2026, I am going to work out 3 times a week. That's a measurable goal. In 2026, I am going to walk around my team in my office, and I am going to walk around at least twice a week and say hello to every person on my floor, every person in my organization, depending on how large your organization is. Or I'm going to send an email twice a week, a good email, an inspiring one to every one of my team members. Make it a measurable goal, make it a doable goal, but also make it a big goal. In 2026, write something big, vision something big, see yourself imagining and doing great things in 2026. And then I want you to take action. Take action in 2026, right? Refuse to be stuck in procrastination. Refuse to be stuck in your trauma. Let me tell you, if something happened to you, if you went through something horrible, I am sorry. And you know what? One of my pastors once said, it should have never happened to you. It wasn't supposed to happen, right? But we go through pain in this life. So what I want you to do is I want you to take that and just take the pain and make it into pressure for your life that pressures you to get to your next level. Make a change, do something good, and make it happen. In 2026, New Year's resolution, very simple, very, very simple. I want you to change your life. You can do this. You can do this. And some of you may say, but my life is doing fine. It can be better. We could all be better, and we could all do better. So that's what I want you to do in 2026. And here's what I want. My goal for you is to understand your power, number 1. Use it to do good, number 2. Use that power to create change in your life, number 3. And number 4, use that power to be happy, healthy, and whole in 2024. I hope this was helpful. It was certainly helpful to me. I will see you very soon. Just, make sure you don't miss one episode this year of Personal Power Boost. And please, I am asking you, first of all, to subscribe. And secondly, give me a high five, to bring 5 people in with you to subscribe. Why? My goal, measurable goal, is to get to 1,000 subscribers. When I do that, what happens is that the algorithms will open up my podcast to the entire world, which is what I'm after. To do good in the world. Blessings to you and your family in 2026. Let's finish up with the full affirmation. My power is my ability to think a new positive thought, see a new positive vision, speak new positive words, write new positive goals, and do something new and positive with my life by taking a new positive action step. Take that action step. We'll see you next week. Bye. If today's episode spoke to you, and you know it's time for a shift in how you lead, how your team connects, or how your culture performs, I want to personally invite you to take the next step. Book a free consultation at drvernaprice.com/work-with-me and explore your next keynote, your leadership workshop, or executive coaching. It's time to get your power back, and it is time to get to your next level.